Getting ready to head up north now. Oh, yeah, maybe. Ready? We're ready? Ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
All right.
Say good morning.
Good morning. From beautiful Forest Lakes, Arizona.
Welcome back to part 2 of Picnic Adventures Saturday morning breakfast. Now,
Friday.
It's Friday.
oh, correction, Friday morning breakfast. And here's a view of the woods. Oh. And I'm sad because there was no new fresh tracks of the animals this morning. And there's just gonna be a view of our trailer. But my dad is cooking over there, and then
Good morning, everybody. Say good morning. Oh, Holly, now you're going to come over here? Uh-huh.
Good morning.
morning.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Picnic Adventures. We made it. We were too pooped to do too much videoing yesterday, so but we got all set up. Say good morning, Holly. Say good morning, Holly. Oh my. But here we are. All set up. And Griddle is heating up for breakfast. Good num-nums. And everybody's quiet when the camera's on, so I'm going to keep doing this and leave it on all the time. Enjoying nature. We're back. Ham steak, ham steak.
Ham and eggs. That's what for breakfast.
I need a trash.
Oh, he's ripping the juices open.
Oh, I didn't want to do that. Camera's rolling, I get no help. But I told him not to. That's okay.
If I go near the camera, then he'll say no. And once I pick up a piece of trash, I'm gonna ask him, can I film it? He's gonna say no. So that is the life of me, guys. And I really mean it. I can help film just sitting over here. I don't have to be in front of the camera. I could just say stuff.
Oh, hear the sizzle. Ham and eggs for breakfast. And we're out here in all of this. This is Sitgreaves National Forest.
Forest Lakes, Arizona.
Wife creates at Forest Lakes, Arizona. Now you all know where we're at. Don't come and crowd us. But by the time this posts, we'll be out of here. And it gone. Oh, we're gonna top that off.
Am I holding it the right distance?
And more cheese. Give them that before shot of that goodness right there. Okay. Get rid of that beans. That's it before, and then we are gonna put a lid on it.
Yes. Can I say something about
And then
our-
we're gonna put it on the stove and fire it up. And we're gonna let it cook for about 12. And now we're back with the voila finished product. Oh, then they're delicious. Trust me, I've already tried them. Oh, and if it could be smell a video. Dinner time.